What is going on, YouTube? You guys ready to make some of my good old BB seasoning? That's that black bottom. But wait a minute. I want to talk to you guys for a second. You guys need to start making your own seasoning. Now, I can understand you going out there buying it for yourself for the first time and looking at what they made it and how they made it. But the thing is, you buy it that first time so you can compare it. But guys, start making your own seasoning, man. You might be the one that come out there with the good product and make your own self rich. Stop making these other people rich when you can make that stuff yourself. Start looking at them ingredients, man. You can do this. But anyway, let's make this black bottle. I made this one up. You ain't gonna find this one on the shelf, baby. At least not yet. Now, folks, I got everything laid out of here in the order that I'm gonna put it in. We got our brown sugar up first, our smoked paprika, our Himalayan salt, our garlic powder, onion powder, our chili powder, our ground cinnamon, and last but not least, our ground black pepper. Y'all can see here, I'm pretty low on there. I probably can't get nothing done with that but one chicken wing, but let's go ahead and get started on this black bottom, brown sugar. Four cup of our smoked paprika. This smoked paprika smells so good, man. Four cup of our Himalayan pink salt. 2 tablespoons of our garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of our onion powder, 1 tablespoon of our chili powder. Now, folks, I know this say dark chili, but it doesn't matter. Tablespoon of our cinnamon here. And a tablespoon of our black powder, our black pepper. Now we're gonna get that all mixed up and everything together. Put that lid on there and shake it up real good, man. And there you have it. That's that BB, baby, that black bottle. Good rub right there for almost any kind of meat you can think of.